Okay, now comes to second type of the mixture is heterogeneous. HE. Okay. Heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so here also come like this those mixture in which the constituent particles the constituent particles do not mix. Do not mix throughout. We know that in the homogeneous they mix, the constituent particles mix throughout, right? But here do not mix throughout. Okay, are called heterogeneous. Mixture. Okay, they are called heterogeneous mixture. And the examples of the heterogeneous mixture here it will come. What? So here it will come say sand and salt. Okay. Tea and the tea leaf. Okay, tea and tea leaf, or I just say some other examples like say mud, or just say muddy water, just simply muddy water. Okay, muddy water, etc. Okay, yeah. So many others say heterogeneous type. Yeah. Okay, so actually my memory is full. That's why I clean. Okay, that's why. Okay. Yeah. Sand and stone, tea and tea leaves, muddy water, etc. Okay, so they are a heterogeneous. Yeah, they are a heterogeneous mixture. Okay. Yeah. And now comes to the properties. You know, when we divide, when we categorize this heterogeneous mixture, we will divide it into the two types of the heterogeneous. Okay, but that one will come in the form of this say what is that? True solution. True solutions will go for the homogeneous. Okay, suspensions. Okay, and all will come. Yeah. Okay, suspension and colloidal. Okay, yeah, that will come after this one. So let us learn the properties. Okay, so here are the properties of heterogeneous. Properties of the heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so here the properties of the heterogeneous mixture. Here the particles do not. I already given in the definition itself also, right? The particles do not mix throughout. Okay, but in terms of the homogeneous particle mixed throughout, this point you have to keep in mind. Okay, please just mute all. Okay, the particles do not mix throughout. Number two, the particles can be seen by naked eye. Okay, but in terms of the we know that for the homogeneous, the particle cannot be seen by naked eyes. But in terms of this, particles can be seen by naked eyes. Okay, by naked eyes we can see. Yeah. So this is the second point. Okay. In the third point, here. The particles, okay, can be separated. Okay, particles can be separated by filter paper or ordinary method. Okay, by the filter paper we can separate, okay, or by ordinary paper, because if it is solid we can separate out by hand also now. So that's why no, okay, yeah. And in the number 4 point here, okay, yeah, previously what we write for the number 4 there, okay, the particles do not mix throughout, particle can be seen by naked eye, particle can be separated by the filter paper or ordinary method, okay, they called Tyndall effect. Okay, this heterogeneous mixture they will call the Tyndall effect, but it is not for all. Okay, so in the solid particle, yes, they cause Tyndall, Tyndall, na? They cause Tyndall effect. Heterogeneous mixture cause the Tyndall effect. Okay, but this Tyndall effect is not in all the heterogeneous, but some are. That's why we are seeing. Okay, why? Because here, if the particles are taken as some of the solids and all also. Okay, so they used to. They are not giving. Okay, but you know. Generally in liquid, we are going to study in terms of the liquid here. Okay, so in liquid generally they are causing the Tyndall effect. Okay, but just simply you know that they cause Tyndall effect. That's enough. But homogeneous are not. Magar reason bhi aayega why this heterogeneous mixture cause Tyndall effect and why homogeneous are not. Okay, so answer if we say about, okay, don't worry for this, all this notes I will write. Okay, not need to worry. So heterogeneous mixture, okay, and homogeneous too not. Now heterogeneous mixture cause Tyndall effect because the size of the particles of heterogeneous mixture are big enough to scatter the part of the light. Okay, the part of the light code that is the scatter curtain. Okay, and why? Because the size of these heterogeneous particles are big enough. That is the ज़्यादा मतलब बड़ा है जो part of the light को blow करने के लिए, scatter करने के लिए. Okay, that's why it's called Tyndall effect. But in terms of the homogeneous, they do not cause Tyndall effect because the size of the homogeneous particles are very small. Okay, to scatter the part of the light. So that's going on. Okay, so the scattering of the light. Okay, for the scattering of the light, here the size of the particle is a matter. Okay, so that's going on. Okay, so there only here it comes about why is the color of the sky is blue in color and all. Okay, why the color of the sky is reddish in color in the evening and the early mornings and all. Okay, so that is due to the scattering of the part of the scattering of the light. You know, light consists of the 7 colors. The blue color lights, okay, having the short wavelength, they are scattered by the particles of the air above in the sky. That's why when we see the sky, that is blue in color. But for right now, it is raining. There is a cloud. Okay, and when you see the cloud, there is just like the white like that, right? So why? Because here at this time, here the part of the light, okay, are excuse me, scattering because the particle size is very large enough. That's why here we appear these white colors and all. Okay, that is another case in class 10. It will come. Okay, so just an example only. And in the number 5 point here, okay, the particles or the constituent particles settle down. Okay, the constituent particles settle down when kept undisturbed. Okay, when we keep undisturbed, these particles will settle down. Okay, so these are the properties of this heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so from here we already come to know about the homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixture, and if possible you must try to give a difference between this homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixture in your copy. Okay, so by making the table, okay, by making table, this is homogeneous, this side is heterogeneous, and you must try to write up their difference. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, yeah, you must write down that one. Okay, so you must maintain your science copy properly. Okay, and all these notes should write properly, and David Iwanshu, and also your handwriting you write down, okay, nicely, properly. Now we are not just say afterward also you may get all these notes and from any other sources also, so you can note down very nicely, neat and clean with your handwriting. Okay, so those who have the very bad handwriting, you must try to improve this Tiranjit and all also. Okay, yes, question answer, some of them I will give you as a home task, home assignment ऐसा भी देगा और दे देगा. I will give you, but some home assignment. What is it? I will give you in the school app, okay, in the form of this PDF file or something like that. Okay, so don't worry for that one. But I will give you some assignment also to do home assignment. Okay, so you have to do that one and you have to upload in the school app. That is compulsory. Yeah, option is there. You check it. Okay, option is there in the e-library or something like that. Okay, I don't know about you, student application, but teacher application we are able to upload. Okay, yeah. So this is about that is the homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixture, and you must try to write down the what? That is the difference between the homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixture. Okay, fine. Yeah. So this one. Okay, we are pure substance. At least 4 points, that's enough. 2 marks giving questions and all like that. Okay, 4 points is left side 4, right side 4. Yes, I can hear you, but yeah. होगा लिखो, मगर उधर से लिखने से ठीक ही है ऐसा लग रहा है, क्योंकि हम ऑल कंटेन इनसाइड ना, जो वही उधर से दे रहे हैं ना. मगर इंग्लिश यू कैन राइट इन योर ओन, बट आई एम गिविंग यू लाइक दैट ओनली. जस्ट यू कैन राइट डाउन फ्रॉम देयर. Yes. Class 9 में physics separate, bio separate, and chemistry separate. Okay, but in class 10, when you come to class 10, physics and chemistry will be together only, because I am going to take both. Yeah. It's okay. I am taking chemistry only, so no need to worry for that one. Others are done and all they are doing now. So okay, that is not a problem. Yeah, we'll discuss the pure substance at the end, okay, because the pure substance we don't need to discuss more. Okay, here we are going to divide, okay, and now we'll learn the solution. Okay, we'll learn the solution. Okay, but see, in terms of this what I call the mixture, in terms of the particles, we can divide, we can find out it as the different types of the mixture again. Okay, solid mixture. Okay, solid mixture, solid liquid mixture, solid gas mixture. Okay, solid gas mixture, like that also we can learn. And in this way, liquid liquid mixture, liquid solid mixture, okay, and the liquid gas mixture and all. Okay, so let me give you this one, the mixture in terms of the, just say the, on the basis of their particles. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see now. Here I categorize the mixture again according to this one. Types of mixture in terms of particles. In terms of particles, types of the mixture again divide. We can divide. Okay, what is that? We have to make a table: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, so you can make a table, and here we can learn along. This is just the example only we can learn. Okay, so what we can learn? Solids. Okay, so that is the solid का mixture क्या है? Solid का mixture, दो solid substance mix कर एक mixture बनता है. उसका एक example बोलेगा तो salt and sugar होता है ना, salt and sugar. And also you can give just like alloy like the bronze and all. Okay, copper and zinc, copper and tin and all, they can mix now. So that is the yes Smriti, what is that? hato bole kya? Okay, fine. Okay, solid mixture is the salt and sugar. What about solid liquid mixture? Solid and liquid, that is a sugar or a salt in water. Okay, salt in water. Okay, salt in water. Okay, और नहीं तो ऐसा कर सकते हैं हम लोग, solid में liquid बना देगा, solid में liquid डाल देगा. ओके, सॉलिड में लिक्विड डालेगा तो वही अलग से भी दे सकते हैं. नो प्रॉब्लम, जस्ट आई विल गिव हियर आल्सो सेम केस ओनली. ओके, सॉलिड लिक्विड सॉल्यूशन, दैट इज सॉल्ट इन वाटर, एंड सॉलिड गैस सॉल्यूशन. सॉलिड गैस मिक्सचर. Dry ice is the carbon dioxide only. Okay, it is carbon dioxide only. That is another case. Solid gas mixture is that, okay, dust in air. Dust, na? So dust, when dust is present in the air, then that being the mixture of the solid gas mixture. Okay, and now we'll come to that is the liquid solid. Okay, what will come? Liquid and the solid. ये liquid को solid में present होगा. Okay, तो उधर में क्या होगा? Mercury. Okay, mercury and the copper. Okay, mercury and copper. ये उसको हम लोग क्या नाम से जाना जाता है? मरकरी एंड द कॉपर. जैसे कि जो मरकरी जो है कोई भी मेटल के साथ मिक्स करेगा तो ओके, एक टाइप ऑफ मिक्सचर बनता है, उसको क्या नाम से बोलता है? अमालगाम. AMALGAM. क्या नाम? अमालगाम. द मिक्सचर ऑफ द रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम. द मिक्सचर okay, let me complete this one first. Mixture of the mercury or the copper. Okay, and next is the liquid. Liquid तो क्या होगा? There is the alcohol and water. Simple only, okay? And a liquid gas. Liquid and a gas. What is that? Liquid जो gas में होगा, that is a cloud and all you can say ना. Cloud. And gas solid. Okay? So gas solid and all what you can say. Gas can contain in the solid and all. Okay? So what you can write? अमालगम इज द कोई भी मेटल जो है मरकरी के साथ मिलाएगा तो लाइक सोडियम या कॉपर ना मरकरी के साथ बनाते समय एक टाइप ऑफ मिक्सचर बनता है उसको बोलता है अमालगम. फाइन. ओके. गैस सॉलिड में ओके. सो हम लोग इसको क्या दे सकता है? ओके. गैस and solid. Okay, so this one is rusted iron. Rusted iron. Rusted iron में आयरन के ऊपर में हवा मतलब एयर जो लग जाता है, ओके, और ऑल्सो मॉइस्चर पानी के साथ, तो इसलिए रस्ट कलर निकल जाता है. ओके, सो दैट्स वन. एंड गैस एंड लिक्विड दैट इज ओके ऑक्सीजन. ओके, गैस इन लिक्विड तो ऑक्सीजन इन वाटर. There is oxygen dissolved in water. पानी में ऑक्सीजन होता है, प्रेजेंट होता है. Okay, that's fine. And next is the gas. Gas. So what we can say? Air. Mixture of air. Okay, our air is the gas mixture. Okay, so this is this for the today class. I think you have another class also, or not? Maybe also, but not now. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, fine. It's okay. So this is the types of mixture in terms of the particles. Okay, solid, that is salt and sugar. Solid liquid, salt in water. Solid gas, dust in air. Liquid solid mixture, mercury and copper. नहीं तो mercury and sodium you can say. Okay, and this is the amalgam. And another one is liquid, alcohol and water. Okay, and next is liquid gas, that is the cloud. Okay, that is the cloud. The water vapor is present. Water is present along with the gas. Okay, that is in the cloud. That is cloud only. Okay, and next is the gas solid. That is the rusted iron. Okay, rusted iron, don't get confused. When the iron get rusted, because above the surface of the iron, here the air. Okay, there is the oxygen. They combine along in the presence of the water. That it gets rusted. A brown coating surface is developed on the iron, right? So that is the rusting. Okay, so that is the example. And next is gas liquid. Okay, oxygen dissolved in water or oxygen in water. You know those animals who live deep inside the sea. Okay, from where they get oxygen? Okay, so they get oxygen from the water. Okay, the water, if the depth of the water is increased, then solubility of oxygen or gas in the water is increased. So from there only through the gills they separate out the oxygen and they use it. Okay, and another one is that gas, that is air. Air is a mixture of carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, and helium, neon, and other noble gases and all. Right? So that's all. Okay, so this is all about the types of the mixture, and we already learned from this chapter homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Okay, and this is types of mixture in terms of the particles and all. Okay, and in the next class, we'll learn about these types of the mixture in terms of their constituent particles. Okay, and that will come in terms of the solution. We will learn about the solution, types of the solution. Okay, in terms of liquid types. Okay, so in terms of all those things we will learn. Okay, and the Tyndall effect and the method of the separations of these types of the mixture, homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, and let me check how many of you are present. Okay, so I hope you understand things. Okay, yes. If you have any complaint, किसका? असाइनमेंट नहीं दिया है अभी तक, मतलब क्वेश्चन आंसर देकर उधर में अपलोड किया है ना, वही है. Okay, that's all for today, and I hope you understand. And if you have any inquiry, any problem, you can clear your doubts now. Okay. Okay then. So bye bye to you, and stay safe, and try to maintain your copy nicely. Okay, those who do not maintain your copy when you are in class 8 and all. Okay, this time you have to change. Otherwise, no one can change you. Okay, you have to change yourself. You want to do something. Okay then. Hope you enjoy, and bye bye all.